If you are tired of working a 9 to 5 or you cannot work a 9 to 5 and you're looking for something that is more flexible, something that can bring in good income and allows you the flexibility of time, then you should look into becoming a social media manager. Now, if you watch this video till the end, you would understand how to become a highly paid social media manager. Hello everyone, my name is Regina. I've been a social media manager for over 5 years now, and in this video I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know to start your journey as a social media manager. The general belief is that social media managers post for businesses, creators and influencers, and that's not wrong. That's just like a summary of the job description. But what you need to know is that anybody can post on social media. Something has to make you different from another person. The first thing you need to know is that as a social media manager, posting on social media is not just it. You need to be able to come up with a strategy. You can't just come and be posting anyhow. Everybody posts anyhow. So what makes you different is your ability to post with a strategy. Having a content strategy is what will make that business owner be able to achieve something on social media. It's what will make that content creator or influencer be able to achieve something on social media. So that is why your content strategy is very important. The second thing you need to know to be able to become a social media manager is how to schedule posts. There's so many platforms out there that you can use to schedule posts. The fact that you're a social media manager does not mean that you're going to be posting every day, you're going to be online every day and posting. That's not how it works. You schedule these posts and they will go up automatically, because the good thing about being a social media manager is that you can have more than one client. So that means more income for you, more money for you. The third thing you need to understand to become a social media manager is how to come up with content ideas. There are so many contents online, but every piece of content has something that it is made for. You can't just come and be posting something randomly and hope it will give you a certain result. That is why you have your content strategy. That strategy now is what will guide you in knowing what type of post you're going to be posting for the business owner, influencer, or the creator. I don't think that social media management is just a skill that nobody should learn. If you want to do anything on social media in today's day and time, if you learn social media management, it will make it faster. I used to have a business on social media. I was selling fashion wares, and one thing I can say is that I was posting randomly till I became a social media manager. Then I understood that all these things I was posting, they were not actually making sense like that. That was why I was just getting sales once in a while. But now that I know better, if I'm to go back and do that business, I will be able to scale that business. The fourth thing you will need to know how to do is to understand analytics. You need to understand how to calculate your metrics, likes, engagement, and all of that, because that will tell you what post is performing well, what post is not, and which one you should continue doing. An additional skill you need to have that will make you a highly paid social media manager is graphic design and video editing. Now, you don't need to be a professional. You need to just know the basics. And once you are good at the basics, you'll be sought after compared to somebody who doesn't. All of this can be learned individually or collectively, but if you don't know where to get started or how to get started, I have a social media management course, and it's 35,000 naira for those who register early. One bonus I'm going to be adding to the social media management class is paid ads, because paid ads is what makes you even better. Paid ads will skyrocket your social media management service, because it is one thing that is sought after. It is one thing that will bring your clients sales and visibility. And you can also use the paid ads to market your own self. It gets you clients and sales. Now, everybody can just click boost post and they will not really get anything. But in my social media management class, where I'll be adding paid ads to the course, you will learn how to run paid ads that convert. So if you're looking to start your social media management journey, you want to learn how to become a social media manager, how to run paid ads, then you want to join my social media management class, it is 35,000 naira for early registration, and late registration is 50,000 naira. This course is going to give you the knowledge, not just the knowledge, but you are going to put it in action. That's what makes it different, and it's only your action that will bring you the money. So if you're interested, use this number to join the waitlist so that when the course is out, you'll be among the first people to know. So see you in class.